Okay, the third type of sound we're going to talk about is noise, which is not an aesthetic or subjective term. It describes a particular behavior of sound. With noise, we have vibrations of air molecules at all frequencies at the same time, sort of random vibrations covering a range of frequencies. So classic types of noise sounds are fans, snare drums, and rain, that kind of thing. We'll look at rain in particular. So I'll bring up some a rain sound here. And if we look at the spectrum right now, you can just see sort of at any given moment there's vibrations at different frequencies. And I'll put up a filter to look at this more carefully. Increase the EQ, the Q. And then we hear something 500 Hertz. And we hear something at every frequency. There's no gaps. So within a range, in fact. The sound here is actually put some filters on. Noise at other ends. So many noise sounds, while the whole spectrum might not be covered, arrange well. So we can sort of mimic that a little bit with a filter by decreasing the Q, and I'm going to use what's called a low pass filter here, and that cuts any frequency. It only lets frequencies through that are below its frequency setting. So I could lower this, and let's see, I'll cut it out. Maybe more like a rocket taking off there. Now use a high pass filter, and we let stuff out above it. Still sounds like rain, just a brighter sound. A little sizzle. And we'll hear a narrow band there. And I think that's it for noise.